everybody, welcome to Vicky's Crafty. I wanted to jump on here and share this fabulous box with you. It's Mommy Lhey's Little Bits box. And I have found so much joy in this little box. It's one of those things that just makes me happy. And genuinely, when I saw her post that it was coming, I was checking the mail and I never get my mail. So that's a good indication that I really love this subscription box that I have. So this ring is going to make too much noise for me. I'm going to have to take it off. But how's everybody's Christmas going? I know it's a super busy time for everybody, me included. It's just so much fun. I love it, but it just gets busy, right? And so I definitely have my other part of my home tour going. I haven't filmed it yet, but I also have a cookie party YouTube video coming that I had with my family, and I really wanted to share that with you because it was so much fun. But let's get right into this. I was just giving you a heads up of what's coming, hopefully before Christmas, but I know we're all getting busy. Has everybody got their Christmas gifts bought and everything? I'm so behind. I still have so much to do, but let's get into this awesome box. Okay, so here's the box, and I'm going to go ahead and open it over here so that I could share with you how, well, I kind of already look, like I said, I was so excited to be getting it. So you get this lovely card, and I love that it kind of goes with the theme of the overall box. And what I thought was so cute was she added this beautiful picture of her family, her daughter just getting married, and a little Christmas note, or a little note just saying thank you. And I thought that was just like a sweet touch. So thank you, Lhey. That was awesome. Okay, and everything comes in this zipper pouch, which I love because I think I'm on this is my 4th box, and it's nice to keep everything in here. And I love to have that ability to just pull it when I'm going. And so I'll start off with the first little cutie in the bag, and it's this washi. And it's so cute. Like, it has the little bunny and all the different colors. So this is definitely cute to decorate the little journal. So that's cute. Here's the bag. Okay. And then it came with this, I couldn't figure out what this was at first, and I didn't have my glasses on. And so I was like, okay, I was trying to figure out, like, I could put, like, my tapes on it. Like, I could put my, let me see if I can get it here. Yes, that might have been a bad idea. Sorry. But I was thinking I could put, like, my tapes, but that just kind of goes through. So I didn't know what it was. And then I really, like, honed in on the packaging, and it said a washi holder. So I think if I opened up this washi, and I think it would fit right on there. And I think that is such a cute idea, because you don't have to, it's just right here. And when I set it all up and when I work on it, I'm definitely going to choose washi that I think will fit for the whole month using this planner or little journal. So I thought that was so cute. So that was awesome. Should I put it down like that? Okay. Then you have this enamel pin, and it's backwards, but let me go ahead and pull that out so you can see how cute it is. How cute. It's backwards, so the packaging, but look it. That is adorable. I love hearts, and the little bunny has a little planner in her hand, so that is so cute, and I love that. Then you got this little pin with the little, like, shaker at the top, and that'll be so cute to post my little pictures of my daily setup. So cute. I love that. Then you got this little, is it like a mouse pad? And it has all the little, you know, like little drawings on there, and I think that's so cute for a little mouse pad. Now I don't have a mouse, I don't have a computer, but I was thinking I could even use it to hold my glue gun. Like when it's hot, I could put it on there, and so that would be so cute. So that was a fun addition to the subscription. Then you got this cute stamp set, and I love these because I do use them in my planner. There's Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then today, reminder, trust your journey, and then kind of like a little like a habit tracker that you can make for whatever you're working on. And then there's that same little bunny and with the laptop. So I thought that was so cute and definitely fun to use in your planner for the week or month. Then there are these little stencils, and I love watching Mommy Lhey's video because she shows you how she uses them, and I always get some fun ideas with that. So you get the little bunny, and little rainbows, and then hearts. And this is so versatile. Like you could use this over and over again. And I love that it fits perfectly in the little planner that you get in the box. Okay, then here is some little die cuts, and they're so cute. So let me go ahead and show you some of those. I just love everything. Like, look at all the illustrations. She is just so talented. So they're just like little cute little foiled cards, and that you could just add all of this to your little planner for the month. It's so cute. Wait. You're doing a great job. That's so cute. And yes, you can. So cute. So those are that, and then you got this 6x8 paper, collage paper set, and like I said, she shows on her story, on her Instagram, how she uses them, and I always think that's so fun because she has such good ideas. So here's a sheet of acetate, if you could see that, and it has like the little boba with the little ears, so that's cute. And then here's the vellum with that same design, some stripe, and then some bows on the back. And you get 2 sheets of every image that I'm showing you. I love those colors. And you know, at first when I opened it, I was like, oh, I wish it was like more Christmas heavy. But then as I saw, I was like, you know, you can add, maybe some people don't, you know, want to do that with Christmas. I know I love to do all my things which the season we're in, but this could definitely, you could make it as Christmassy as you want or as less Christmassy as you want. So I'm okay with it. And then you get these little stickers. Let me go ahead and flip through those really fast for you. So these are awesome. I use these throughout the month. It's the days, and then the, you know, 1 through 31. And then just some more little stickers. So cute. How fun is that? And I love the like foiling detail as well. Like the numbers in the foil. So cute. And I find that I always have more product left over. Like when I did have my cookie party, all the little girls, like my best friend's daughters, Scotland and Cambria, and then when my great niece came over, and she was like, Auntie Vicky, do you still have your fun scrapbook room? Can I go in there? And so I was like, of course. And then I always give like big old goodie bags because I have so much, you know, as we all do, have so much stickers and little paper. And it's like I could imagine myself at that age. I would be so jazzed. So I always like give a little goodie bag or whatever we do a craft. And so I gave her my first subscription little journal and things, and she was so excited. I just ripped out the pages that I had worked on, and she just was like so jazzed about it. So I was like, "Oh, that's so cute." But this is the my favorite thing of all, and I think because it's green, like I said, I wish that it was themed more Christmas. But when I saw the green planner of it all, I was like not mad at it. I think it is Christmas. I think it's adorable. I love it. I love the messaging. Yes, you can, and that's so true. Yes, we can. And I just, yeah, I love it. I think it's so, the paper is so nice. And it is so much fun. Look at the back. How cute is that? And look at how it all goes together so wonderfully. So, yeah, home run, Mommy Lhey Little Bits box. Get yours. I think it's just so much fun, and I can't wait to fill this up. So thank you for being here, you guys. I got so excited. I almost choked. Whoa. You know when you go down the wrong tube. What a nerd. I'm so sorry. Okay. Thank you for being here. Remember to keep it crafty. Your girl, VICKYVILLE, loves you.